everyone. Welcome back to my page, my channel. Today, I want to teach us how to make the popular Nigerian snacks chin chin. Chin chin is very popular in Nigeria and generally accepted by everyone. It's good to, as a snack to make for your children. It's good as a snack to make if you want to sell or start food business or maybe snacks business. And now if you want to use this for business, one of the things you need to have in mind when you want to start is which kind of flavor do you want these snacks to be known for. We have different kind of flavor. We have the milk flavor both in powder and liquid. We have the vanilla flavor. We have the strawberry flavor. We have the coconut flavor. We have the butterscotch. You can even decide to say you want your chin chin to be peppered chin chin. Whatever the flavor you want to blend into it, these snacks can accept everything. So this flavor that you're going to be adding to make it unique is what this snacks is going to be known for. I have been doing this for a very long time, so trust what I'm going to teach you, either for your personal use or for your business. So join me on this journey. I'm sure you will learn what to do. To start, we're going to measure our flour. So I'm going to be doing 100 grams. 100 grams. This is 1 cup. So for those of us that don't have scale, I'll be using this cup to measure it so that we are going to know how many kg a cup of flour will use. About 6 cups gave us that 1 kg. So you set your flour aside and it's time to sieve your flour. $200 grams of sugar, is it? 200 grams of sugar. So your scale is equal to 0. So sugar. So it's approximately 200 grams. That's just like that for the sugar. So we add it. We have our baking powder, I used 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix together. I like using milk flavor. I'm not going to tell you which flavor gives me my signature chin chin, but you can use milk flavor. I like using milk flavor. So I'm using 3 teaspoons. This teaspoon. So you can decide to use nutmeg if you want, but I don't usually use nutmeg or ginger. I'm okay with the milk flavor and the milk vanilla. So after adding this, then you can decide to reduce it to 1 part if you want, depending on how much you are selling it, how the butter 150 grams. So put it in and rub it in this way. After rubbing the butter in, we have our egg. We're going to use 2 pieces of egg. Then I want to add a touch of vanilla flavor. Just a little. So now you also need a measuring cup. This is about 250 ml of water. So you put it in. It's a mixture. I'm going to use 2 pieces. Then I want to add a touch of vanilla flavor. Just a little. So now you also need a measuring cup. This is about 250 ml of water. So you put it in. It's a mixture. Let's clear the table. So that 250 ml of water isn't enough, so I'll add like 50. Is this what consistency of water is very, very important. So, you have to be gentle with your mix. Don't mix it. So here's the mixture. For starters, you might not be able to do it this way. You can also use pizza cutter, but this is what I have available at the moment. So let's put it. Here is our chin chin. But I don't cutting in this is what we have, and I've already set my bowl on the fire. so it is time to fry. Depends on how big or small you want this to be, but I am okay with this. Okay. So, let your oil heat up a bit. I added a little. Check how the oil is doing. Okay, so once it starts popping up, see, this is the you have to keep stirring from time to time so that you can fry evenly. See this? So you are going to fry until it is golden brown. Still coming. Coming gradually. If you want it to be the color to be deeper than this, you can leave it for a while. But this is just perfect for me. This is the end of our video. This is how your chin-chin is going to come out. So nice and crunchy. If you want your chin-chin to come out this way, you have to follow the measurements of the butter. Don't make your paste to be too watery. If it is too watery, it will be soaking when you are frying it and you will get this consistency. So thank you for joining me guys, and we'll see you in my next video.